Okay, now we're on air.
Okay.
All right. So do you have like your other thing like open?
Yeah, I have my computer up.
Okay,
So
cool. So how'd you do on the individual preparation assignment?
pretty good. Can't really judge yourself too harshly off that, I don't think.
Yeah, and I
No,
thought it
but
was
it
pretty
wasn't
easy.
bad. Yeah, it was just like it was like science to me, like basic science. So
Yeah, yeah, I felt the same way.
it took me a while to get like stratified and systemic and stuff like that. Probably the difference between them, but it wasn't bad.
Awesome. All right. Well, any questions we have?
It's kind of weird with just two people, but um, let me go through my notes and see.
Okay, yeah, I'll grab mine too.
So on the final preparation thing, do you have that open?
The what?
The final preparation, or like just the prep assignment?
Yes.
Okay. So on number 3, when it says like the treatment and the response variable and things like that,
Okay.
so the treatment would just be like an independent variable, right? It's what changes,
Yeah.
right? Okay, and then the response is like the dependent.
Yes.
Okay, that's just easiest way for me to remember. But I think that's the only thing I wasn't sure
Yeah,
of.
yeah, I kind of went through the same thing because I just couldn't like it was just a different term than I'd ever heard before. But once I
Yeah.
figured it out, it made sense.
Okay.
Oh, I
So
don't
did
really
you have
understand p-value.
the p-value?
Yeah.
So what I kind of understood it as is like, okay, so the p-value is like the basic thing, the basic hypothesis that everybody thinks is true. And then whatever variation is in that, it changes the p-value.
Okay.
I think, if that makes sense. So like the null hypothesis is what's widely acceptable,
Yeah.
and then the p-value is just the probability of obtaining a different result, I think.
Okay.
I think we'll probably touch on it more later, but
Yeah. I imagine so. Or we'll never talk about it again.
true. All right.
All right. Well, should we start our quiz?
Yeah, I think so.
All right.
And
You
it's lesson 2, right?
Yeah. Lesson 2 group meeting and then I move forward. Lesson 2 group
Group meet.
meeting quiz.
Okay.
Are you starting?
Yeah,
Okay, I will too.
just loading. Oh, yay! Questions I can answer. Okay.
Yeah, the first two are good.
Yeah. Actively participated. Okay. So how do you want to do this? Just like go through each, or do you want to like do it individually and then ask questions, or I don't know what'll work best.
um, well, since it's just the two of us, we could probably just like read each one and then just decide what the best answer is.
Okay, that'll be good. Okay. Do you want me just to go for number 3, just to start it?
Sure.
Okay. Researchers would like to determine if reviewing material consistently within an hour after class helps students perform better on exams than if students wait to review material the day before the exam. To answer this question, the researchers are trying to determine if an observational study or if an experiment would be more appropriate. They are discussing who the population would be and how they would determine which sampling method will best represent the population. Which of the 5 steps of the statistical process are the researchers currently applying? That is a long question. Okay.
Is it design?
Yeah, because they're just going over the basic, like what they want to do in it, right?
Yeah.
That's what I would think.
All right.
Okay.
Question 4. A researcher has collected the results of a survey where the participants were asked how many hours of TV they watch each day. The researcher tallies the frequencies for each category and computes mean number of hours watched. She then creates a histogram to help illustrate the overall distribution. Which of the 5 steps of the statistical process did the researcher apply?
Would that be the describe the data one?
Yeah, I think so too. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know how to say that. Mumbai? Are you ready for number
Sounds
5?
good to me.
Okay. Mumbai, India is a quickly growing city of importance in its own country as well as the global economy. A marketing research firm has been asked by a prominent fast food restaurant to help determine if the citizens of Mumbai would support this fast food business. From a list of all registered taxpayers, 3,000 names are randomly selected. Each individual on the list is mailed a brief questionnaire. The researchers received 1,049 responses. The population is...
I learned this because I got it wrong before. And then I went back.
Okay.
So it's the citizens of Mumbai, not the 1049.
Right? Yeah, because it doesn't matter who responds, it's who was sent to. Okay.
Yep. So that's everyone.
Yeah. Awesome.
All right. Same question, so I won't read it. On 6. The sample is...
So the sample is what's taken, right?
Yeah.
For the responses.
1049.
Okay. Do you want me to read questions? Okay. Studies have shown that retention of classroom materials can drop as low as 58% within 15 minutes of class and within 44% after the first hour after class. This forgetting curve continues so that within 6 days, only 25% is remembered. How can a student conquer this forgetting curve? The researchers in this study claim that constant review is important. Suppose your teacher wanted to test this and invited you to participate in a study where you were asked to review specific material 15 minutes after class for 10 minutes, an hour after class for 10 minutes, and then again 2 days after class for 10 minutes. Your teacher then gives you a short 10-question quiz where your score out of 10 is recorded. What type of data is your teacher collecting? Oh, seriously? I would think quantitative. But I'm bad at this part.
Well, I'm like thinking about it. So there's a lot of numbers, but what are they trying to... They're trying to categorize retention, or trying to like not categorize, but trying to figure out retention. But it's all numbers. I think it's quantitative.
I think so too, because it's not really...
Yeah, and then the next one, spoiler alert, is categorical.
Yes, no, and not sure. Yeah, okay. All right.
I can read question 9.
Okay, thanks.
Oh, dang it. Studies have shown that retention of classroom materials... Hold on.
Oh, it's the same thing.
Suppose your teacher wanted to test this and invited you to participate in a study where you were asked to review specific material 15 minutes after... Sister or your teacher also selects a group to give no review to the material over the 6 days. This group is called the...
So they're not getting any extra help or review, right?
Yeah. There's a group with nothing.
They're just
yeah.
Control group?
Yes. Definitely.
Okay. Ooh, a short question. Okay. Which of the following would be considered an experimental design? Okay.
Oh, that one. I think it's the second one. Administering TB vaccination to one group and giving a placebo to the other.
Yeah, because then they're actually controlling some part of it.
Yep.
Yeah.
In a study to determine the average wage of working people in Mumbai, which of the following would be the best sample? Every 10th worker that you meet, all the workers in one working district, many randomly selected workers in each of the several working districts of Mumbai, or all the female workers.
I think the third one.
Yeah, me too. That's like the same question as the one on the homework quiz.
Yeah. Okay, you want to become the next Jonas Salk and produce a vaccine that will help cure children of respiratory syncytial virus. You test the vaccine and compare it to a placebo and randomly choose one group of children to take the vaccine and one group to take the placebo. What or who are the experimental units or subjects? Okay, so the subject is who's tested, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So it would be the children?
Yeah, definitely. I think so.
No, the other options would make sense.
Yeah, because that's the ones who are getting tested for the yeah, children. All right. You want to become the next Jonas Salk and produce a vaccine that will help cure children of respiratory syncytial virus, RSV. You test the vaccine and compare it to a placebo and randomly choose. Oh, yeah, same thing. What are the treatments? I think it's the vaccine and placebo.
What are the treatments? So the question before was, who are the subjects?
Mm-hmm.
And this one, what's the treatments? I don't know. So it's what's tested. Yeah, I would think the vaccine too.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many more do we have? Oh, two. Okay.
14 and 15. And I think 15 is going to be pretty easy. But 14 looks
14's a lot.
Okay. Just looking at that one before you read it, the fact that there's a control group makes me think it's probably experiment.
Yep. I think so too.
Okay.
So. Oh, and then this last one. Oh, that's not bad. Okay.
All right. So. Oh, wow. This is weird.
Okay.
Wait, does it?
So the last one. Did you already do it?
Oh, okay, I get it now. I was just thinking it was really, really easy, but I'm seeing that it's like slightly harder than I thought it was, but still really easy.
Yeah.
All right, so one is
Two.
2.
Right? Okay.
Wait, hold on. This is so confusing.
Okay, so I just went through like what is collect data, and that one's step 1, right?
Uh-huh.
So I just put that in slot number 2. Yeah.
All right, take action.
Take action is step 2.
Design the study.
Like
is step 3.
It's 3.
Wait, this is really easy, right?
Yeah, it's literally corresponding with the step 4.
Okay.
Like with all the numbers.
That's what like I was like confused about, and then I was like, no, it can't be. I need to like make sure. I need to. Okay, well that's good. All right, do we feel good about it?
Okay.
We get another attempt if we don't.
What are your final answers for 15? Like just
Oh.
number wise.
31524.
Whoa. Three. Oh, hold up, girl. I did not get that. I got 23145.
Oh wait, hold on. I probably
Okay, okay.
hold on, hold
I
on.
did it wrong. Hold,
Oh, you did it
hold
wrong?
on. Yeah, I just entered them wrong. Okay. So design the study is 1. Okay, gosh.
Oh
Sorry,
wait.
I'm gonna have to read
Hold on. No, maybe I think I did it wrong now.
it. Step 2. Jeez. Okay.
I'm a little confused about this. All right, so
Okay, hold on.
discern. Discern is 1, because that's
No, design the studies 1.
okay. So that's 3, and that's step 3.
Yeah. Well, step 1.
Oh gosh.
Okay. So design the study is the first step. So number 3 will correspond to Daniel.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. And then the second one is collect data. And so 1 will correspond to can.
Okay. Oh my gosh. This is confusing now.
I know, it's a good thing we rechecked. I got that wrong. Okay, then describe the data is step 3. So that's discern.
Okay, I have that one.
And then make inferences is step 4. And then take action. So when you're done, tell me what you got again.
43215.
I got 14352. Okay. All right.
Okay, so 1. Oh gosh.
Okay. The very first one, step 2, can. So step 2 of the process is collect data. So that's number 1.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
does that make sense? Okay.
So like step 2 can has a 1. Like we put in a
Yeah.
1 next to it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Step 3, discern. So the third step of the process is to describe the data,
Mm-hmm.
and that's number 4. So we'll put a 4 there.
4. Okay, maybe our things are different on the side.
Oh, maybe. What do you say?
Mine is like on the left, the column is step 3, step 1, step 5, step 2, step 4.
Yeah, mine's not. Mine's two,
Okay.
3, 1, 4, 5.
Okay, so we have the same.
Okay, good. As long as you know that yours is right, mine's right, so we're good.
Okay, yeah, I
That's
feel good.
probably important to know next time. Sheesh. Okay. All right. Do you feel good about everything else, though?
Yeah,
Okay. That took way longer than it should have.
yeah,
Okay.
that's funny.
I'm going to submit mine.
All right, me too.
What'd you get?
Woo!
100%.
100.
100%. Woo, me too.
Awesome.
Wow. Okay, well, thanks for clarifying that. I would have just kept saying that all day.
That was funny.
All right, that wasn't so bad.
No, it wasn't bad. And it took like
Um,
less than 20 minutes.
yeah. When do you want to do the next one? Let's do Thursday.
Um, so like this time works really well for me, but if it doesn't work for you, then we can pick a different time.
So I don't have any classes on Tuesday or Thursdays.
Okay. So does that work
it
for
works
you?
for me as well. Yeah. You want to just plan on that?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Thursday at noon. That'll be awesome.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, see you then.
Yeah, see ya.
I'm gonna post it like where I'm supposed to now.
Okay, good luck.
All right, thanks. Bye.